Hi there, myself Saddam Hussain, belongs to Bokaro Jharkhand. I have completed my graduation in B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering from Dr. B.C. Engineering College, Durgapur in 2021. It was an awesome online training journey at Evision Technoserve for live session in IT networking. Trainers was very good and they always ready to clear my doubts, even online classes. The placement team was very supportive, and the special thing about them is that they pay attention on each and every single candidates till they placed in good MNCs. Then I got selected in this Cognizant. Thank you, Evision, for your help and support.